the products you make can vary in timescale, with the production time and volume continually changing. However, one thing that must stay consistent is your part programming. Automation within Autodesk FeatureCAM helps you achieve design specifications and maintain part quality by giving you consistency in your programming. The automation intelligently makes decisions for you. Based on your recognized feature, FeatureCAM will automatically create one or more associative operations, typically a roughing and finishing operation. For each operation, it will select tools, feeds and speeds, step overs, step downs, and more, all based on your skills and knowledge. This works straight out of the box and is fully customizable to produce the results you want. The automation also automatically updates your process planning, so you can choose the order of machining to suit the part automatically. Synchronization will happen automatically for pinch and follow strategies, maximizing the productivity of your multi-turret turning centers. If the features are part of the solid model history, then the model will update too, alongside the manufacturing. If there is a revision in your part design, simply edit the feature and the operation will automatically update itself. This intelligent decision-making removes the associated risk with operator error, improving your programming consistency to produce reliable NC code.